the system that we installed a year ago has been performing fantastically. It's over 10% than we originally estimated and simulated using computer modelling, and we're really delighted with its performance, and we're measuring and verifying that performance through dashboards and apps that we have available to our fingertips. And of course this is fantastic for the school to measure and use in school situations.
It benefits the children in many, many ways, I believe. They get an insight into local energy management. They get an insight into the alternatives that are available to them as adults. They get an insight into just how difficult and complex the energy production and marketing system is. They get an insight into the future of energy supply. And they take responsibility for something. They suddenly realise that energy isn't just something that comes out the wall. It's something which should be valuable, should be treated as a valuable item, and should be treated with respect.
To me, it isn't an investment to make money. It's an investment in something I think is vital.